Hey, to input SIM card into Google Pixel 9 Pro, first of all, you will have to remove SIM tool from your box, and then this SIM slot is right here next to the USB-C port. So to open it, we have to input this tool inside. Now we have to press on it. We have to grab our SIM tray with our fingernails, and as you can see right here, we've got the SIM slot. So to correctly input the SIM card, you will have to put it in this position like that. Now press. When it is inside, you will hear the click sound, and as you can see, now it's inside. This SIM doesn't come above surface of the SIM tray, so to put it back, just input it like that and press right now, and now you will have to input your PIN code for the SIM card. So thank you for watching, leave a like,